Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today in front of me I have Motorola ThinkPhone, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can manually adjust the camera brightness on this device. So once at the camera, in order to adjust the camera brightness manually, first of all you will need to disable the tap to capture option, which you can do by going into settings, capture setting, and turn off this toggle. And now once you will touch anywhere at the viewfinder, pretty much you can regulate the photo brightness or exposure, perhaps manually, like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.